Hi, welcome to Lesson 1 of Basic Blues Piano. This course, the first 10 lessons are for beginners who have a knowledge of major scales and chords. We're going to start out slow and easy, and then we're gradually going to speed up. Actually, we'll speed up right around Lesson 7. And each lesson will build upon the previous lesson. So for Lesson 1, we're going to show you a very easy but very popular and well-used lick in blues and rock, and it's this one. We are in the key of C, using the C chord, and we'll be using the 1-4-5 chord progression in a 12-bar blues format for these lessons. Now, before we go over that lick, let's refresh your memory about what a 1-4-5 chord progression is. 1-4-5 chord progression is we're going to use the, in any key we'll use the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. Now how do you find the 1, 4, and 5 chord? Good question. Well, take your key. For example, we're in the key of C. Right, you know that. And so the number 1 note is C. So the number 1 chord is, or the 1 chord is C. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th note in the key of C is F. So the 4 chord is going to be F. And the 5th note is G. So therefore the 5 chord is going to be, that's right, G. And you can always tell whether you got it right. Just try out this test. The Louie Louie song test. Yep, that's 1-4-5. Okay, so going back to this lick, what we're doing here is in the C chord, the 1 chord in this case. We're doing the 1, 3, 5 of that chord. And then we change to 1, 4, 6 in the C chord. Now we go to the 4 chord, it'll be the F chord, 1, 3, 5 there. We change to 1, 4, 6 of the F chord. And the same thing in G. 1, 3, 5 to 1, 4, 6. 1, 3, 5, 1, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5, 1, 4, 6. It's pretty easy, so what we're going to do is a 12-bar blues progression, just using the right hand to wake up the fingers in your right hand, get them limber. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get that? Good. If not, slow it down if you have to. What we want are smooth transitions from one chord to the next chord. Use a metronome if you have to get the smooth transition. When I practice blues and rock, I either use a drum track or I'll use my own internal rhythm. And so let's bring in the left hand, because we want to be two-handed blues and rock keyboard players. And for the left hand, we're going to use a very simple pattern. We're just going to use the bass note of each chord. For bass note of C chord is, that's right, C. Bass note of F chord is F. Bass chord of G is G. But we're going to double it up in the left hand. We're going to play the bass note here and the bass note down there. I think we have that in the picture, okay? And the left hand is going to go simply like 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And the right hand is going to be doing this riff. Going to be doing that riff. And so think of your left hand as the drummer and the bass player, and the right hand is going to play with or against that rhythm. When I say against, I don't mean that in a negative way. I mean, if you want, that's if you want to change up the rhythm, which we will eventually do. So here we go. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it? Good. If not, rewind and slow it down. Now we're going to change up the rhythm of the left hand. I should say, yeah, we're going to change up the rhythm. Same tempo, same type of 4/4 timing. But we're going to alternate between the bass notes, starting with this one down here to that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the right hand is going to be doing that famous riff. Here we go. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get it? Good. If not, go back and work on that before you go to the next lesson.